Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this video, we will show you how to connect computer to Wi-Fi without cable. Let's begin. First, check if your computer has a wireless network adapter. Click on the Start menu and type Device Manager in the search box. Open Device Manager from the results. In the Device Manager window, expand the Network Adapters section. Look for a device with wireless, Wi-Fi, or WLAN in its name. If you see one, your computer supports wireless connectivity. If you don't see any wireless adapter, you will need to purchase and install one. Next, connect to a wireless network. Click on the Start menu again and open Settings. Select Network and Internet, then click on Status. On the right side, click Network and Sharing Center. A new window will open showing all available wireless networks near you. Now, click on Set up a new connection or network. This option allows you to create a new wireless connection if needed. After that, select Set up a new network and click Next. A wireless router broadcasts the Wi-Fi signal that your computer connects to. Choose your device, complete the setup process, and your connection will be ready. That's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.